Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first here, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down here, so you just keep going down. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to subtitles and captioning here. You come here to closed captions, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.